Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the foods to avoid if you have PCOS or PCOD. If you are looking for a PCOS or PCOD complete weight loss diet plan, then I recommend watching the diet plan on the same, which is in my channel. The links can be found at the end of this video and in the description box below this video as well. And if you are new to my channel, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to get updated on the most recent health uploads. So let's get started. The first food you need to avoid when you have PCOS or PCOD is sugar. I don't mean by this all sugars because we know fruits also have sugar. I'm talking about added sugars. Yes, fruits have sugar, but the sugar we need to avoid is those added sugars only. This refined sugar increases depression, growth of facial hair, weight gain and dry skin as well. We think only cakes, cookies and desserts have sugar in them, but you'll be surprised to know that the so-called healthy products have so much hidden sugar in them. So when you are at the supermarket next time and you're searching for products for your pantry, check the ingredients before you buy them. You do not want to buy things with refined sugar like peanut butter, almond butter, some of the spreads, cereals, sauces, they all have added sugar. So if you're making a dessert, for example, and you have PCOS or PCOD, you need to find a good and healthy substitute for that sugar because sugar really raises your insulin and really affects your ovaries. I always turn to dates. Dates do have a lot of sugar naturally. They are dried fruit, so they are going to digest slowly and they're not going to give that insulin spike. Just because you have PCOS, that does not mean you shouldn't live your life. It doesn't mean you shouldn't eat desserts at all. It's all about making healthier alternatives. So if you're going to bake a dessert, a smoothie, then you can add dates puree to it to naturally sweeten your dish. Number 2 is processed white wheat flour. This is going to spike your sugar levels all the way through the roof. And you're going to feel crummy and you're going to keep gaining weight around your belly because it's going to make your insulin levels spike. So you want to avoid white flour totally. Anything with white flour is a big no-no. And the third food to avoid if you have PCOS is dairy, especially if you have intolerance issues. Generally, small quantity of milk and yogurt can be taken, but if condition is not under control, then completely avoid dairy for a few months and switch to nut-based milk like almond milk or even coconut milk or oats milk as well. I know nut-based milk is ridiculously expensive these days. Oat milk is quite easy to make at home. There is a video in my channel to make oat milk. I highly recommend you watch it. I will also give you the link here in the description box below this video. Your condition should improve after completely avoiding dairy from your diet for a few months. If you want to eat dairy occasionally, then always go for organic, local and unpasteurized milk. It'll cost a lot, I know, but if you are not willing to spend that much money on good dairy, then don't eat it at all. Trust me guys, dairy is so bad right now, so very bad. The milk what we get now is not the same milk what we used to drink as kids. It makes you want to cry how bad the dairy industry is these days. So unless you have your local farm whom you can trust, don't eat dairy at all. It's going to shoot up your androgen as well. It will cause really unnecessary PCOS and PCOD symptoms. The fourth food item you need to avoid is soy and all soy products. The plant-based estrogen in soy mimic the effect of estrogen and contributes to hormonal imbalance in our body. Soy can also have adverse effect on your thyroid function and your ovulation as well. So it's better to avoid soy and all the soy products if you have PCOS or even thyroid issues. And the fifth worst food for your PCOS condition is polyunsaturated oils. Polyunsaturated oils like sunflower oil, soybean oil, corn oil and vegetable oil. The supermarket shelves are flooded with these oils. These oils increase our weight. They are fed to animals to increase weight in them. So if we consume them, the same thing happens to us too. Polyunsaturated oils oxidize in the liver more quickly. They don't allow the production of enzymes which is required to convert fat into energy. It also leads to underactive thyroid as well, which is one of the main reasons for the inability to lose weight. So avoid using polyunsaturated oils if you have PCOS or PCOD condition. I also have a video on which cooking oil is best for our health and also what are the suitable oils for different styles of cooking. watch it to have a better picture on the oils to use in your cooking. I'll give you the link here in the description box below this video. I hope you find this video useful. These are foods you need to avoid if you have PCOS or PCOD issues. Let me know how you deal with your PCOS. Leave your comments here and I would love to read them. If you think this video is useful to deal with your PCOS, then give this video your big thumbs up. Stay connected by subscribing as I have a variety of interesting health videos in my channel, and I'll see you soon with a new one. Until then, remember to make right food choices because we are what we eat. Take care. Bye-bye.